Hello guys, welcome back to WordPress W3 School. In this video, we learned how you can create business startup website for free using WordPress. That too by using free theme or plugins. You are viewing a demo of the website. We will create such a professional and beautiful website. It's totally free, no coding experience. Logically free complete beginners. User-friendly WordPress is easy to use, even for beginners. Mobile responsive. Most themes automatically adapt to mobile devices. Let's start creating a website.